talking to you. Say, I'll talk to you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. You are not having it. You must be real hungry.
I want my bottle.
You staring at it?
Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Smile. Say that your daddy.
Amanda and Dad. Nobody pays attention to him anyway.
I can't believe he's put up with him this long.